heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine.
But let's have some fun with it, 'cause you know I'm running it.
Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like da-do-da-do-da-do.
If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're tryna roll the dice, let me give you some advice.